Magandang araw, mabuhay. We are the Group 3 and our group name is Himig. By the way, I am John Lee Magsipok, the group leader, and here are the list of my members. The given topic for our group is singer-artists. Local singer-artists promote Filipino culture through music, preserving heritage and showcasing a unique sound that blends traditional and contemporary influences. This sets Filipino music apart globally, gaining international recognition and showcasing the country's cultural authenticity and diversity. So having a local singers plays a crucial role not only in promoting the music of our own country, but also to preserve and promote the culture of Filipino. Additionally, they use this mode to show globally the country's cultural authenticity and diversity. So here are the three singers that we have chosen, which is Lea Salonga, Casey Tandingan, and Jen Constantino. So now let's look further about their background and their achievements.
Now let us talk about Lea Salonga. Her full name is Maria Lea Carmen Imutan Salonga. Born on February 22, 1971, in Manila, Philippines. Her notable talents are soprano voice, musical theater, and pop music. Her claim to fame is winning the role of Kim in Miss Saigon 1989 at age 18, which launched her to international fame. Okay, so Lea Salonga is a world-renowned Filipino singer and actress, best known for her powerful voice, crystal clear tone, and success in both Broadway and international musical theater. She has a notable awards and has received about 44 nominations, 28 wins, 19 cultural honors, 3 states honors, and 1 world record.
And these are the achievements of Lea Salonga. First is the Aliw Awards, Awit Awards, and FAMAS Award. Numerous wins across her singing and acting career. And the second is the Order of La Candola, Commander rank, one of the highest honor given by the Philippine government. And the next is the Disney Legend Award 2011 for her iconic voice work as Princess Jasmine. And the last is the Grammy nomination, Best Musical Theater Album for Once on This Island, cast recording.
As for our second artist, we chose Christine Zeni Rodriguez Tandingan, known as KZ Tandingan. She is currently 33 years old, born on March 11, 1990. She came from Digos City, Davao del Sur, and her genre in singing is pop, R&B, and acoustic jazz. She represented Philippines in Singer 2018, which happened in China.
Magandang araw mabuhay. My name is Sid Lopez and today I'll tell you about the achievement of Casey Tandingan in her career. So the first one is, she is the winner of the X Factor Philippines Season 1 in our country, and she also won a Aliw Award, Best New Artist in 2012, and she also won a Mixed Music Awards, which won 7.5 Music Award in several wins, and she is the first Philippine artist on stage 1 at Dubai World Trade Center Arena, and also she hit a multiple success on the PH Top 20 chart in Billboard Philippines.
The third singer artist that we choose is Josephine Eusebio Constantino, or most known as Yen Constantino. She is 36 years old and she was born on December 4, 1988. She lived in Manila, Philippines, and her genre and song are pop, rock, Pinoy rock, and alternative rock.
Yen's career took off in 2006 when she won the very first season of Pinoy Dream Academy. Since then, she has earned multiple awards, including those from Mixed Music Awards, Awit Awards, and PMPC Star Awards. She also received the FAMAS Award for her song Hawak Kamay, which was used in the movie Kasal, Kasali, Kasalo. Her debut album, Salamat, reached triple platinum status. It is a huge achievement, and of course, her hit song Ikaw became a viral sensation, especially her wedding video, which got millions of views on YouTube. Yang Constantino is truly one of the OPM's most iconic artists.
In conclusion, the contributions of iconic Filipino singer-artists like Lea Salonga, KZ Tandingan, and Yang Constantino have not only showcased our country's rich musical talent, but also helped shape and promote Filipino culture globally. Through their passion, dedication, and perseverance, they have inspired a nation and left an indelible mark on the world music scene. Their legacy continues to inspire future generations, celebrating the beauty and diversity of Filipino culture. So as what I have said on the introduction before, our local singer-artist doesn't only promote the country's music talent, but they also play a crucial role in promoting and preserving the Filipino culture globally. With that, they serve as an inspiration for the future generations to be proud of our own. This conclusion highlights the significance of Filipino singer-artists in shaping cultural identity and promoting national heritage, which is a key area of study in humanities, particularly in fields like cultural studies and musicology. It showcases the intersection of art and culture, a fundamental aspect of humanities. That would be all. Thank you for watching and we hope that you understand something. Mag-ingat. Salamat po.